the world's mirroriest mirror chrome. I've got the smallest little baby HVLP gun that we have. Do they look like a mirror? What's the durability like? Let's find out. Does this paint really look like a mirror when it dries, and can it be used over Plasti Dip peelable paints? Those are questions that we're getting answers to today. Hey guys, it's Fonzie from DipYourCar. Gabe is right over there. CultureHustle.com is a website that we've gotten some materials and products from before. They've got some funky stuff. Some of it comes out awesome. Some of it's just kind of okay, but this is a product, it's a paint called Mirror, and they claim that it is the world's mirroriest mirror chrome paint. Hold on, watch, look, I'm not making it up. The world's mirroriest mirror chrome paint. I mean, how am I supposed to pronounce that? They are making some big claims about that. If you guys have watched any of my videos in the past, you know I take chrome very seriously. If you're gonna claim something is chrome or a mirror, it better look like a mirror. What we're gonna do is we've got some samples over here. We wanted to really run the gauntlet here. So we've got black Plasti Dip, matte black Plasti Dip. We've got matte black Plasti Dip with glossy top coat on top. And then we've got black high gloss Autoflex. Now these, I know in smaller scale kind of look like they have a similar gloss, but this is Autoflex. It is going to mimic a black automotive paint. Now, quick disclaimer. I'm not saying that we're using this mirror paint the way that it's intended to be used. I'm not saying that we're following the exact instructions that they suggest. I'm just simply showing you guys what it looks like on our surfaces and whether or not it is compatible on any level with the products that we use. Make sense? Let's get started. Now let me walk you through what the plan is here. Again, these mirrorist chrome paints are very small. They are 2 ounces, 1 ounce? Really, really tiny. So we're gonna need the smallest gun that we have. I've got 4 bottles of this because I have no idea how much we're gonna use just on those large speed shapes, but there's no way we'd be able to fill up the paint cup of a DYC dip sprayer system or G-Force gun with this little amount of liquid, so I've got the smallest little baby HVLP gun that we have. Really small tip size. And the idea is going to be to just lay, at first, 1 coat of this mirror paint over each one of the speed shapes, let it dry. I don't know if we're gonna do 2 coats or not, but the website actually asks you to let it dry a full 24 hours before we even touch it. So we're gonna do 1 coat first and then take it from there. Enjoy. All right, now we've let the mirror paint cure and dry for a full 24 hours. Let's wrap this up. Let me show you the results first. So this right here is the matte black Plasti Dip base. This is the matte black Plasti Dip with glossy dip pearl top coat base. And this is the high gloss Autoflex black base. Now you can see all of them very metallic, really good reflection properties, so very impressive there. The thing that really surprised me was there isn't much difference in the reflectiveness or the metallic vibe of the matte black Plasti Dip versus the high gloss Autoflex. Some of the other chrome paints that we've tried in the past really didn't perform well at all over a matte black base. They needed a high gloss base in order to get anywhere near chrome. So let's go over a couple things here. Do they look like a mirror? What's the durability like? And can you top coat these paints to get more durability? Let's find out. Well, when it comes down to the chrome effect, does it look like a mirror? I would argue that it's very metallic, really cool and reflective, but I think it comes up a little bit short of true chrome or a true mirror. The Autoflex one, I think, is about 10% better than the others. Now, with this said, again, we did not follow the manufacturer's instructions for this installation. This is not, I'm sure, the intended purpose of these products. So my results using it over my peelable paints is not reflective, no pun intended, on the results you might get using this product for its intended purpose. I'm sure it works great the way that it was intended. But when we're talking about potentially doing an entire car in this with our peelable paints, I would say it comes a little bit shy of being a true chrome or mirror, but obviously very cool. The durability. Let's check the durability. Well, it feels nice to the touch. It's nice and hard, kind of plasticky. You can scratch it off, but again, that's expected. So when you say, okay, well, it's not super durable, it's not a hard shell finish, can you top coat it? Well, with some of the other chrome paints that we've tried in the past, you could not top coat them because as soon as a solvent-based top coat went on top, it destroyed the mirror or chrome finish. And unfortunately, this one is the same. As soon as we put a coat of glossy Dip Pro top coat on top, the mirror chrome finish went right out the window. So what do we have? Well, we have a very cool mirror style kind of paint that probably works awesome with things like arts and crafts or cosplay, for example. But when it comes to using them for our specific use, our automotive peelable paints, I don't know if it's going to be realistic or practical. And let me show you ultimately why. This little guy right here is 40 bucks. I couldn't imagine how many of these we would need to do a whole car and how expensive that would be. But with that said, leave a comment below. Do you want me to contact the manufacturer and try to source enough bulk product to knock out a whole car? If enough of you guys want to see us do it, you know I'm going to give it a try. Either way, super cool product. Glad we got a chance to play with it. I'm so glad you guys hung out with me today. We've got a lot more coming up in the future. I'll see you guys on the next video.